Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I practice driving guys because this is my first time. I got my driver's permit and now this is my first time to drive guys for my learning driver's permit guys, so I want to show you later. Okay guys, here now, this is my practice driving here in the parking lot, in the church parking lot. Okay, go there now. Out. Put daddy the phone. Yes, daddy put the phone.
Seems like a nice day for me walking on rocks.
Okay, I'm here now guys.
What's daddy doing?
I'm here guys, practice. I'm ready.
I'm not part of
We
this.
put daddy kun. Why the seat is so low? Photo. Careful. I put number 2, honey, the seat.
Number 2 is already set up for you, right?
Yeah. I
Behind
take off
mommy
my-
or behind me?
I
Put this
take
in.
off my shoes because I not know.
Yeah, well, that's not how you drive, but whatever.
Take off my shoes. Ajay, you can see me? You're the cameraman. You see Ajay?
You have to permit me.
I can't see your face.
Where's your permit?
Ah, we not bring the permit. Okay guys. We back at home guys because my driver's permit is we forgot. So we back again here. And we get ready now.
RJ, you're not allowed to get out of the car when mommy's driving. You might run me over.
Okay. Go RJ, put your seatbelt.
Yeah, I know that.
They turn on now. That's a
Seatbelts. Make sure everybody's seatbelted first.
Yep.
That's what he's going to look for, the driver instructor.
Yeah.
Are you all the way up?
How to turn on?
Number 2.
Yeah. And
I start the car.
there is.
One thing at a time, would you know? Is this on?
Yep.
Yep, I'm the
Okay.
cameraman.
Your
Put your foot on the brake.
cameraman, RJ.
You know where the brake is? Push on brake.
The left, the left, this
Yeah.
left,
Yep. And now push on gas.
the
Right
right
to the
is
store,
the
we
gas.
need the umbrella.
Yeah, this
I
the
found
brake
the umbrella!
is so high. The brake, huh? I
You
put
might
is so short.
Oh!
Can you reach it?
If we ever go out, I have the umbrella.
If you can't reach the pedal, then we're done.
I reset my seat kasi said that he do that. He can do that.
I thought you reset your driving line.
Okay, go back.
How to reset, RJ? This.
Can you reach the pedals from there? I don't think you can reach the pedals. So, let me see. Brake.
Wow. It's so far away.
You can't just go away like that. Oh,
Yep, I can do now, but my foot is so short. Maybe I have shoes. That's nice. My foot is so short. Oh, better that have shoes.
what do you like, RJ? You slip on? Can't tie?
Yep, so that easy. The truck.
Okay, start the car.
How's he doing?
I don't know what he's doing. Alright, start the car. Put your foot on the brake.
Oh.
Always put your foot on the brake when you're in the car. There, when the lights up.
Lights are on now.
Automatic lights.
They're better now.
How do you feel? Turn the steering wheel.
Another car coming.
This is not going to be a good spot, I guess.
Why didn't you go to a big parking lot?
Because we can't find any. Where is the car?
There is.
They're looking at us.
Parking.
There's going to be a meeting tonight. They're all coming in now.
What?
Go to drive, D. Brake on.
Good.
Brake's off. Brake is off. Okay, let go. You're going to go. As soon as you pull your foot off the gas, the car's going to move.
Like, why?
It's going to move by itself. Now let go. See? Now brake. You got to learn how to brake softly. Only emergency do you brake hard. Okay? Take your foot off. Okay, let the foot off and push a little bit of gas. Go ahead.
Person.
Put some gas. A little bit of gas. You don't push the gas lightly. Go like this. Feel the steering wheel. Okay, brake. Brake. Okay, go.
People there.
Yeah, well, we're gonna go straight to the
Maybe
trailers and do a
across.
U-turn.
Yeah.
Get farther over here. Brake.
You're not put-
Brake. Okay, go.
You're gonna be moving the whole set.
Okay, do you know how to make a U-turn?
Yeah, the mirror and
Set up in here. You don't want, you just want to see a slice of the side of the car.
I see your cones back there.
okay.
Okay, you're gonna give a little bit of gas and then turn. Go,
You're not put gas.
turn. Turn, all the way, all the way. Okay, now start straightening it out. Stay in the lane. Okay, now gas. Gas.
Yeah. put
More
gas.
gas. Stay in the lane. Okay, let up on gas.
Turn.
To the white line. Turn. That's the lane. Turn. Don't overcompensate. Just get used to it. Push the gas a little bit. You gas into a turn. Now turn. Okay, then go straight and then make a right on the other side of the building. Push gas.
Not put gas. You just run.
That's bad news that it runs like this. The idle is adjusted too high. Brake. Okay, now after that, those white lines turn into the lane.
Yep.
Turn. Keep turning more. You need to put gas. Okay, straighten out. Go down, stay in this lane. Follow those lines. Go down and make a U-turn. Tight U-turn. You're drifting this way. Okay, brake.
It moves and moves.
Good, do the U. Brake. Sharp, sharp. Turn.
Dad's always like sharp on his turn.
Okay, release. Now go between them. Go. Look out! You're getting really close to the curb. You almost hit the curb. Get back into the lane.
And the car on the other side.
Okay, turn. Up here.
Did they park?
Okay, stay straight in the lane. Slow down. Okay, let's make sure nobody comes to turn. Turn. Nobody
three
coming.
cars. There's not 3 cars there.
Let's go straight.
I said
Straight.
3 cars there.
Straight.
Straight. Get over to the right.
Going straight.
Just stay in the lane here.
Going into a new place.
Just stay along the edge of the white spaces. Okay, now slow down. Turn. Do a U-E. U-E. Not so sharp. Whoa. You want to turn into this lane.
We
That was
now
too sharp.
entered the dangerous area where the cars park. Welcome to the dangerous area.
Get into that lane.
Welcome to the easy area.
Okay, slow down. Put your blinker on. Make a right. Up. You can see behind you on that side. Okay, turn. Straight. Perfect. Well,
They should go the other way. Let's go around the cones. Yeah, mas better we go around.
okay, keep going.
The church. We turn around here.
Okay,
U-turn.
slow down.
This church is
Now make your turn. Make sure you looked in your mirror, right? Okay, straighten it out. Straighten it out. Go through the cones. Mirror, okay?
I don't see anything. I do see an airplane though. Flying through the sky.
Okay, go down the same lane and we'll cut across again. Slow down. Make the left.
Welcome to the easy area.
Left. We're gonna go straight. Gas. No cars coming?
Oh, I think I see something.
Over. They're having a meeting today.
Same white truck.
It's okay. You're gonna have traffic your whole life. Get left. Left. Look where you're going. Stop. Look, you have a very little entrance there. Can you maneuver? See the red lines?
Yeah.
Go.
I want to follow there to go to around.
Yeah, well, that's what you have to do. You have to go through the little entryway. Go. Turn. That's it. Slow. Get your foot on the brake. Turn more. Get to the entrance over there. Brake. Okay, now turn. Turn through. Sharp. Okay, now turn left. You hit the curb. Steer it. Go straight. Hit the stop sign and stop all the way. Stop. Okay, we'll pull up now. Go. It's clear?
I look at. Okay.
Go there.
Just watch him over here because you have an obstruction. Okay? Obstruction? Just watch over here.
You enter the super dangerous area. You have entered the star area.
Slow down and cut through the curb. I mean, the cones. Go through them. Through. That's it. You did it. You know, stay in the lane. And here you're clipping cars. You know, these cars are all in here. You got to be in the lane. Okay, make a left.
Getting better. Now it's getting better.
It's getting better. Slow down.
Welcome to the easy area.
Make the turn. Slow down. Make the turn now. It's kind of a sharp turn. You gotta get the feel of the car. You slow down. Make the turn. Turn. Okay, let's go
You
out.
enter the start area.
Get in the lane. Go.
Now you should go around the cones.
No. We're gonna go around the building.
Oh, now I'm going the opposite side.
Yeah. Slow down. See the red curb?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a tight turn here.
Know what the red curve is?
Slow down. Brake. Turn. Okay. Gas. Pull up to the stop sign. Stop. That's not a complete stop. They gotta look for that complete stop. Okay, go.
In the middle of the.
Yeah, but you gotta learn your lanes. No, that's not where you go. You go over here. Okay, now straight.
You've entered the dangerous area.
So put the red curbs there. Make a right. Stay in this lane. Go straight. Here, slow down, make a left. Go out there. Go. No, out. Let's go out.
We go out. I
Yeah,
do not know.
you're ready. Go. Just follow the road.
Mm-mm.
We're not going out on the highway. We're just going to the subdivision. Gas. Make a left.
You have entered the training area.
Just stay in the middle of the road.
You have accomplished. You're done with the
We only got
church
one light.
training
You have a
area.
light that went out.
You're now in the weird subject.
Okay, gas. Stay on and follow the curb. You know, just no jerking moves. No.
We go there.
We're gonna make a left. Go back in the church.
Yep.
There's a
This
yield
is
sign,
our
but
place
make it a
too.
stop sign. Say, make it a stop sign.
You have to yield.
Up to the yield sign and stop.
Yep.
Then it turns.
Okay, proceed slowly. Good. Gas and turn. No, you do a smooth turn. Watch the curb. You see the curb?
You now entered
School
the
zone ahead. So you know.
Rocky Houses
It's only in
area.
school. Keep going. No, you don't stop here. They got the stop sign.
Good.
Stay in the lane.
You've entered
Okay.
the school and
There's no stop signs, just
school
yield.
place.
Make a left. Brake. Okay, now make a left. Smooth. Yeah, gas. See, you let it
You've
smooth.
entered back
Okay,
to
slow
the
down.
area.
Slow down. Slow down. We'll make it all right. Slow down. Slow down. Make it right. Turn.
You're back in Zone 1 training area.
Funny.
You have entered the very, very dangerous area.
Let's go through the cones.
Yep.
Too bad we couldn't go golfing.
You
Get you on a golf cart.
you have entered
Slow
the
down and
start
go
area.
go through the cones. Sharp turn. Okay, make it right. Okay, you did it. Stay in the lane. You drifted into the lane, into the other side. You have to kind of guess. See the lines on each side?
Yep.
If you're in a parking lot, it's going to be filled with cars if it's full. Left. Ease it
And
into
hit
it.
the bumper of a car.
Are both lights on? You have lights on in front of you?
No, look like on your one.
We've freaking lost a light now?
You only go have entered the easy area.
Easy area. You go there again?
Okay.
Trip computer.
Turn, stop. What are you doing? You're on the curb. You would have had an accident.
Almost.
Okay, now you gotta go reverse. Put your foot on the brake.
Wait, not around, see?
Check your mirrors. Stop. Okay, now go. Go and drive.
My
Stop.
drive.
Are you in neutral? What does that say? That drive, D.
Yes, drive.
Neutral's always lit up red for some reason. I don't know if you're ready for this again. I can't believe you almost hit the curb like that. You're driving right forward. You didn't see it?
You have entered zone 2.
Left.
Practice area.
Check your mirrors. Everything good?
Yep.
You have entered practice area 2. Achievement. Fly under the birds.
Stop at the yield sign. Pull up a little more. Stop. So yield. See that?
What in the left hand?
Yep. And they're gonna watch that. Always
Yep.
left, right, left, right. Is it clear?
Yep.
I've entered a dangerous area.
Can't believe we lost a light bulb. That's not what I wanted, but that's what it's gonna be. Pull up a little more so okay, stop. Let's park. Let me get out and look at the lights.
I'm gonna look at it.
Turn off.
No, wait, he's looking at the lights. What's this? What? Alright.
Okay guys, we done the practice guys, first time. Light, okay. Arte na, you cannot see. Yeah. Just that.
Okay, shut it. Push the button. Foot's on the brake, right?
Turn off now.
Okay, turn off. One more.
What?
Oh, no. Come on, I know where the lights are.
Okay, turn off now. Bye.